change data type would not be there. Observe this, ABC, ABC. So when you click on this, this is more likely you are ignoring the last stages of applied filters. After that, this is a step that is being done. But when you are clicking on only to the source, this is a source file. So it's only showing the source, not the promoting headers, not the exact changing the data type. As you move to here, you are just promoted the headers. As you move here, you are changing the data type. So you cannot ignore the further steps. The system will identify it. That's why it's throwing an error just because you have promoted the header twice. Is it fine, guys? How do I make sure that the previous stored files are also reflecting along with the new file? How do I make sure? For that, you just need to like open to the same Power BI file so that it shows you in a query tab that all the tables that has been loaded are being here. They are the all loaded tables available here as well. Okay.
Okay.
So next step, guys, first we'll take some time to understand throughout our bike shop what exactly we are doing. We have 4 categories that we are selling. One is purely bike. We are dealing with bikes. There are a lot of bikes we'll discuss. After bike, we are dealing with components of a bike. In later stages, you understand these components would not be getting sold directly as not for sale for a direct purpose. They needs to be come up with the sales from when you're purchasing a bike. Then we have clothing, and another category that we are dealing with is accessories. So my shop is working with 4 categories of data. Bikes, we are selling bikes. Different bikes category we'll discuss. Like components of bikes, clothing, and accessories. So this category is more like a hierarchy, which is like a parent hierarchy. After the parent, you have some like children. So for category, we have a children. So now if you see, product category key is being repeated like 111, 222, 333, and so on. What exactly does it mean? You know this thing. That this is nothing but a parent hierarchy. And here this product category is acting as a foreign key. And here the product category is acting as a primary key. You know these things, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 primary keys showing individual unique values in a table. This product category here acting as a primary key, storing all the individual players or all the individual products that we are dealing with, all the individual category. But when we go to the subcategory, here the product subcategory is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10. These are unique. These are unique. 37 unique, 37 distinct. So this table, here we have product subcategory as a primary key, but product category as a foreign key. Yes. If you see 111, they all belong to bike. But this 111 have a subcategory that is mountain bikes, road bikes, and touring bikes. Getting a point? Yes, no? This 111 is repeated 3 times. The reason is they are product category key. One here stands for what? One here stands for bikes. And inside a bike, we have 3 subcategories of bikes, which is mountain bike, road bike, and touring bike. Are you guys observing it? Then we have second category coming up as 2222 repeated. This is a foreign key, that's why it's able to repeat. Now, if it is a foreign key and it's able to repeat, this is nothing but 2 means components. If you see, it's a product category key. Here, product category 2 means what? We go to the category lookup table and we see 2 means components. So these all are the list of subcategories considered as components like handlebars, bottom brackets, brakes, chains, cranksets, derailleurs, forks, headsets, mountain frames, pedals, road frames, saddles, towering frames, and wheels. Till the wheels, we have all the component. Then we have another category coming up 3. The product category 3 belongs to what? Product category 3 belongs to clothing. And based on clothing, which is acting here as a foreign key, is having values like bib shorts as one of the clothing, caps, gloves, jersey, shorts, socks, tights, vests. Last is the vest. Then fourth is a category which keeps on repeating, but what 4 is exactly in the category lookup table. So 4 is your accessories. So based on accessories, we have what accessories in our store? We have bike racks, we have bike stands, we have bottle and cages, we have cleanser or cleaner, fenders, helmets, hydration packs, lights, locks, pannier, pumps, tire and tubes. So these are all accessories. I hope you understand this one. So when you are creating a tables with a hierarchical data, this product category key is acting as a primary key for this table, which is storing a unique value in it. 1 means bike, 2 means components, 3 means clothing, 4 means accessory. But when you use this category key to the another table where they are referencing as foreign key, they are being repeated many times just because they are a foreign key. And here the product subcategory key is acting as a primary key, which is identifying each primary key reflecting each subcategory name. and that subcategory name is falling under the category name. So bike has three bikes: towering bike, mountain bike, and road bike. When you go to another subcategory, so this towering bike has all the different models that we're gonna load it when we are loading the product table. अभी अपने product table तो add नहीं किया, we haven't added the product table yet. When we are adding the product table, we'll see the hierarchy: category, subcategory, and then product. That's how the hierarchy going on. And here, I don't know how much of you are understanding this part or not. This is acting as a primary key for this table, but product category key being repeated itself, it has only 4 values. It's because we have only dealing with 4 categories. But here it's being repeated 37, almost 37 records. They are being repeated. The reason is they are foreign key here, not the primary key. This is, I am expecting that you are having that ideology coming up. I hope you have gone through the sequel with the foreign key and primary key concepts. Let me know if you are clear with the concept or not. Only one has replied. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty good peoples we have. Okay. Almost 15, 16 more than that. So make sure, make it applied. Make it applied. Cool. Cool. Now, you understand that there is some category, there is some subcategory. In future, we'll add the product as well. So you know the hierarchy, how depth hierarchy going on. If you are done with this, adding the product category lookup and product subcategory lookup, we need to go to the third stage, which says confirm that column headers have been promoted and that all data types are correct. Almost we are done. We are done with this as well. Now comes the very important stage of understanding the Power Query editor with more the transformation stage from the fourth question. Add a new column, observe it, add a new column to extract all characters before the dash, which is hyphen, in the product SKU column and name it SKU type. But where you find this product SKU column, observe all the tables that you have loaded. For that, see, this type of question you can only solve in an assignment of a company when you know what column is being present on which table. If you really know what column is present on the which table, then only you can solve this question. Just because if you go through with all your table, there is no product SKU present. There is no product SKU present. There is no product SKU present. Where the product SKU present? It's present in the product lookup table. I already know the data set, so I know you need to load this time for solving question number 4. You need to load what? Product lookup table, which is this one. Open it up. First, observe it what I'm doing. Click OK, add them up. There are a lot of informations being here. Change the type name, table name to product lookup only. Promote the headers and change the data type. This is product key acting as a primary key for this table. Product subcategory key acting as a foreign key in this table. Foreign key. The reason is this subcategory key has been divided into multiple categories. Product SKU. This is the table. This is the column we are looking for. This is a alphanumeric, so ABC only. Product name ABC. First listen guys, model name ABC, product description ABC, product color ABC, product size ABC, product style ABC, no issues. Product cost needs to be fixed decimal number. Product price needs to be fixed decimal number, and we are done. This is it. So only product price and product cost needs to be changed, and product key and product subcategory is a whole number. They are both decimal and they are both whole number. Get it done. And then we'll solve the question number 4. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. Make sure everybody is doing it. Come up with me after 1 minute. Let me eat something. Yes, Rahul. Rahul, do you want to speak something?
Yeah, when I'm changing this data type,
Mhm.
I'm getting the option either to replace the current one or add a new column. So we should replace the current one, right?
You're solving the question number 4.
Yes, yes. I have
Don't
added the product.
add the column. Do not change the existing one. So that
Okay.
means that feature would be only available on add column.
So we have to change the data type for the product cost and the product price, right? So I clicked at the top left to the column product cost. Then I
There need to
change
be this one, dollar one.
dollar one, right? I clicked it. Then it's shown a pop-up like replace or add new. So I
No, no,
clicked on
replace.
replace,
Replace.
replace, right?
Hmm.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Is it done, guys? 2, 3 people, I'm marking it done. Easy one, like product lookup table, promote it, like add to the new source, change the table name to product lookup, add then promote the headers and change the data type. Till now we have done only this type of things. I can only solve it once you are done. Okay. Now comes a very, very important stage where we are looking for this question. First, read the question first again. Add a new column. That means adding a new column means you wanted to create a new column. So that feature will only available on the add column tab. To extract all characters before the dash in the product SKU column and name it SKU type. Name it SKU type. That means the new column that you are creating, the new column name would be SKU type. Okay. Read the question twice, thrice until unless you do not understand. Make sure you are understanding it. So make sure you are reading it twice. So this is a column that I need to refer. So click on this column. After clicking on this column, go to add column just because we wanted to create a new column. And in this add column, we wanted to extract what? The first hyphen. Like if you see, we wanted to extract all characters before the dash in the product SKU column. Before the dash means the first occurrence of dash, which is this. And this HL stands for what? HL is an abbreviation for a product SKU. If you observe this code, first let's see what type of information being given to us in this table. Product key, defining with some numbers like 293 distinct, 293 unique means simple it is. Every values here is distinct or a unique, complete unique. That means this product key is acting as a primary key for this table. Then product category key, they are having 37 distinct 9 uniques. That 37 distinct simply says that 37 are the subcategories we have. If you observe, we have only 37 subcategories. So this 37 subcategories have some products lie under it. So this is a foreign key for this table. This is a foreign key for this table. Now we have a column called as product SKU. Product SKU is storing what? HL-U509R. R can be of what? Let's try to break down. HL here, as I see the product name, it's nothing but an helmet. SO here, nothing but a socks. HL again is an helmet. CA here is nothing but a cap. LJ is nothing but a logo jersey. Okay. FR is nothing but a frame. So you can understand that first two characters are abbreviated to understand which product they are. HL as a smaller abbreviation going on for helmet. U509 is a unique code. We do not go for a unique code. I don't know how the unique code come up. It's more like a analogy behind that. We do not take care. The last R stands for a red color. Black color is a by default color, so it is not marking it black. Just because at some stage B stands for blue as well. So by default color there is no hyphen for a black. If you are going for a socks, it has M stands for a size, which is medium size. L stands for a size, and so on. For a logo jersey, it's a small size, medium size, large size, and X stands for XL. So only one characters are beyond the last stage. XL even comes from X only. HL, HL, SO, HLCA are nothing but your logo jersey, helmet, or frame, anything that first two characters we need to fetch. So this question says that You need to create a new column to extract all the character before the dash. So dash I am considering just because at some stage there are two dash. Here it is two dash, it is one dash, two dash, and so on. So we wanted to extract the SKU type. SKU type is all about HL. HL means helmet. SO means socks, and so on. So I need to fetch this first two characters. So this is a reference to me. I'm just reading out all the columns so that you have an idea what type of information being stored in this table. Product name, sports of 100, helmet red color and on. Model name, product description, like it's a universal fit, well vented, lightweight, snap or visual. It's more like product description, not that tough. Product color, which color you are dealing with. Product size, 0 or O, one size it is. Somewhere you will find a size in numeric value, somewhere you will find values in large, medium, and all. So it's better, even if it is a numeric value, you need to be rapid in ABC, just because ABC can handle a numeric value as well. So ABC would be the right choice for this data type. Product style is having three categories, three or four. Let's understand. 0 means don't know. Okay. M means for male, U means for unisex, and W means for women. Okay. Then we have product cost and product price. This is very easy, you know. Okay. Now we need to take a reference of product SKU. With that reference, we're going to add a new column. Observe it what I'm doing. Go to extract, and in this extract, we have some feature called as text before delimiter. Text before delimiter. And what is your delimiter here? What is the difference between whole decimal and decimal type? Okay. If you see, this whole decimal is more like a normal decimal number and fixed decimal is another number. This is what you are talking about, I guess, Nilesh. So this decimal number is dealt for a numeric values, and this decimal number will be identified or given to those value that are related to the currency. It's a generic one. Let's suppose you wanted to buy a product which is having some weight. Weight is a decimal in count. Okay, some numeric values that can have a decimal values, liters with like a weight or a liter or any unit quantity that you are searching for. It has decimal value, so it's a decimal value, not currency included. So it's a decimal one. But here it needs to be a currency related thing. So that's why we always choose this one for product price, product cost. Now coming back to the topic, the product SQL I'm doing it. Add column is the one just because I wanted to create a new column. Go to extract just because we wanted to extract means fetching the characters or fetching a substring from a string. Go to this option which is text before delimiter and the text which we are searching for. There is a pop-up coming up. What is the delimiter you are searching for? The first occurrence of a delimiter. It's an hyphen. Click OK and you are done. You have created a new column which is this HL, HL, SO, SO and so on coming. Now you double click on this column and rename it as per the question says, which is SKU type. So I wanted to give this new column name as SKU type. So would you like to do it one more time? So I'm doing it for you one more time. Just observe it what I'm doing. So after you're done with change data type, observe it and then I'll give you the time. Click on product SKU just because you wanted to select this column to work on. Go to add column. Go to extract just because we wanted to extract some character from it. There is an option called as text before delimiter just because whatever the first occurrence of hyphen coming, we wanted to extract a text before that delimiter. So this option would be there. And when I click on this option, it will give you the pop-up what delimiter you are searching for. I am searching for hyphen. Click OK. It will create a new column to you at the back end. That means at the last column, it would be created which says text before delimiter and you can double click on it to say it is nothing but SKU type, which is the column name mentioned in the question. So I'll give you 1 minute of time, get it done so that you get familiar with it. And its data type would always be ABC. Yes, Rahul?
The column automatically got added at the end. What if we wanna add just beside the column from where we pulled this information? If you wanna add just beside that particular column.
See, in Excel, you can create a next column side to it by right clicking
Mm-hmm.
on it, but here it won't be the place. What you
Okay.
can do, once you are done with adding a column to the, it's always come to the end. Then you
Okay.
have an options to drag it to the place where you wanted to put. Else, you can also right click on it. There is an option of a move where you can move
Hmm.
to the left, left, left to the beginning to the end. And that's how it works.
Got it. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Nivedita, I'll repeat it again. Just observe it, what I'm doing. This is all data set that I am feeling that you are with this stage only. Which column you need to take care of? First select that column. And with the reference of this column, you wanted to add a new column. And for adding a column, if you read the question again, it says add a new column to extract all characters before the dash in the product SKU column and name it SKU type. That means you need to rename it. It's a different thing. Like renaming to SKU type, it's different thing. Adding a new column, you understand. And with search for dash. Dash is a delimiter that helps us to extract the SKU type from it. So what is the SKU type? Which is HL, HL, SO. HL stands for helmet, SO stands for all this. So go to add column, extract. There is an option. Click on this drop down menu. Text before delimiter. Delimiter is hyphen. We wanted to search for a values or extract the values before the delimiter. So first delimiter occurrence is hyphen here, and we wanted to extract which is HL, HL, SO, and so on. So text before delimiter, it will pop up one value, click hyphen, and okay, it will create a new column at the end. Double click on it and give it a name SKU type. Let me know if it is done or not.
Hi, sir. In case we have two hyphens, it will take first one.
Definitely. It's always search for a occurrence for first one. If you wanted to extract a value, for the second hyphen, so you need to go for an advanced feature here. See, text before delimiter, but there is an advanced feature that you wanted to skip the first hyphen.
Okay,
That
we
is
can give
that we can
the
do.
number.
Let's
Like,
suppose I wanted to create a new column.
okay.
This is I'm doing it for you. This is not in the assignments. Just try to observe. But before that, let me see that people are done with the first one so that I can teach you the next stage. People mark it done if it is done. The basic SKU type if you're done so that I can teach you the next category. This is not like you can only extract the first two characters by searching for an hyphen. Even the second hyphen was not there. But can you remove the last one? R, M, L and all. And you wanted to fetch till HL hyphen 0509. HL hyphen 0509. SO hyphen B909. Would you like to do it? Yes. Click on this SKU type. Add column in the extract. Go to text before delimiter just because it's always be before the delimiter. Okay. We are searching for what? We are searching for hyphen. But in the advanced option this time, from the start of the input is your search is going from left to right. It search from left to right. H L hyphen U 509 hyphen R. It's going from left to right readability. I wanted to skip the first hyphen. If you search for a first hyphen, skip it. If you find the first hyphen, skip it. If you are skipping it up, you click OK, and now you will find a new category coming up, which is skipping the first hyphen and then extracting the hyphens other end. If there is no hyphen F left, you will be stretched with all the data present in it. If you observe in this column, second one, there is no hyphen, nothing issues, bring it all. Getting a point? Although the last one would not be required, if you are done with it, we do not require to create a new column. So these are the 3 steps you have taken. 2 steps only. Promote it. Like inserted a text before delimiter and rename the column. That's it. Rahul, you saying something?
Yes, I had a question which you already, responded that if we not have two hyphen, then the for it will automatically, remove the last one, right?
Yeah.
Just
It will
one.
extract the character till the end of the lecture. Last character till it will extract until unless it won't find the hyphen, it will extract the all characters.
Got it, got it. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Is it done? Pretty easy, pretty easy. Can we have value between two? Yes, we can extract that as well. For that, you need to use this one. Text between delimiter. But the only thing is, at some stage, your second delimiter is there. At some stage, it won't be there. Like some stage, you will find a hyphen was there in the second stage as well. But some stage, it won't be there. So, nevertheless, it works for some works. It won't be working for some stage. There is another thing. Would I teach you another easier way rather than doing this extract? This is an advanced concept. I don't think so it's in your syllabus, but I would love to teach if you really want to learn. Yes? Okay. So, see, there is some pattern going on. This is more like a string which is showing some pattern. You say, I wanted to extract anything. Let's extract anything without doing any feature. So instead of doing this, although you need to do with this only, people will ask you in the interview in this method. But yes, you can do with another step, which is if the same SKU type I wanted to create, this time I'm giving a new name, which is SKU category. Observe what I'm doing. I'm selecting this product SKU. In the add column, I have this feature called as column from example. This is very amazing feature. Anything that you have a problematic string matching. String matching is more like you have learned like function, wildcard functions in SQL. Everyone, like functions, wildcard functions, wildcard keywords in SQL. So over there, what are they used for? They're used for string matching. Yes, they're used for string matching. So can we refer this product SKU and click on this column from example? And when I click on this column from example, I'll remove all the unnecessary column that I do not want. Do you want this product price? No. Do you want this SKU time? No. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Remove the unnecessary column. Unselect them. When you click on column from example, okay, this is more likely you just need to observe what I'm doing. Okay, I'm clicking on cancel. Just observe what I'm doing. I'm being selecting the one which I need to extract. This is a pattern of string pattern. I wanted to play with it. Click on it. Click on column from example available in the add column. And we just train the system by some analysis. Whatever we are doing, whatever the example we are giving to the system, it understands to us. So let's suppose unnecessary column, I'm deleting it. We do not want to refer this one, no this one, not this one. So uncheck all the unnecessary column so that although there is no requirement of doing that, but I would love to do that just because there is no possibility that it would want train it well. So I need to train it well. So I just need to refer it only the column that I really want to bring, which is product SKU. Now this column 1 is a new column. I would love to give it a new name. Let's suppose I'm giving a name SKU category. Now observe what I'm doing. Now you let me know what I need to extract. Anything you wanted to know. Do you want to extract only the middle value? You say na text between delimiter. You say text between delimiter. You wanted to extract the middle value. Yes? Anything. You say anything like, sir, extract HL. Extract the middle values. Extract the last one. I just need to give anything, nothing but I just need to extract middle value. Just give it. Give it a name U509. Click enter. It will automatically extract for you. It is more like a pattern finding. The system will train at some stage by giving some small examples, and the system will understand it and it will extract it. So all the values I click OK. This is like it automatically. I haven't filled it. I am in front of you and there is no cheating going on. I haven't filled it. It's being filled by the system. U509, B909, U509, 1098, 0192. All the things have been system identified. It's more like a training going on. First of two cells, you have been giving a pattern and then it identifies the pattern and then fill it for you. It's called as auto filling in Excel, but ठीक है. हाँ Rahul.
Can we identify like in the product name it is a helmet, bike, socks. So if we select helmet, will it give the product name only helmet, like the names of the all products? Will it be like that?
No. That is not the case. It's more like a string. You are extracting the characters with some pattern. You will find the patterns by the system. It won't search for a helmet. This is
Yeah, I had
stupid.
the same question.
No, it won't be.
I was trying to figure out if the text count is different, so it will work. Yeah.
Right,
So
because what
namely,
happened,
hmm,
in the SKUs, it will give us the four numbers, U509 or so. But in
hmm.
the product name, if it is a helmet or if it is a jersey, if we need to categorize that, then how can we?
No. See, this string matching is all about how you are bringing some, like, let's suppose there is a domain name. If you remember, we can extract the domain name, but that needs to be consistent with some idea. So where you perform these things, either you're splitting the things with the help of delimiter, and wherever you play the extracting the matching things, where the delimiter involves, it needs to search us this way. So there is a delimiter involved here. 0509 is extracted between a delimiter. If I go with a customer table, there is a delimiter which is at the rate. I can search for a domain name. I can extract the username that it can easily search it. It wants search. It's a pattern finding. Would it be possible for you to do these things in a SQL with like keyword? No. The reason is what? If you're searching for a string like a percentage helmet percentage, so you're only searching for a helmet, no. Throughout your product name, you're searching for a helmet. So it's a string matching going on where it's more advanced than like keyword, where you wanted to extract the characters, replace of extract keyword using delimiter. So it's play around with the delimiter. Although when you are learning the date function, you can extract the date, year, month, something like that. But that needs to have a pattern. If you follow the date, it has some slashes. It has some hyphens that only it can extract. It won't be do anything related to it. Yes, it can do some formulas like you wanted to have some numeric values and you wanted to multiply by 2 or 3, some patterns you can give it and it can extract. Sometimes you wanted to replace let's suppose there is a dollar sign in your keyword, you want to replace it with a dollar with space. Think about this way na, agar aapke paas you have some values like this,